How to unfollow all Facebook followings at once. Hello Facebook users, wanna declutter your newsfeed by unfollowing all the accounts you followed over time. Let's explore how to unfollow all your Facebook followings at once with a simple method. Let's get started. Start by opening the Facebook app on your mobile device or visiting the Facebook website in your browser. Log into your account. After logging in, tap on the menu icon, which is the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on Settings and Privacy in the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, locate and tap on Profile Tagging on the Facebook app or Profile on the Facebook website. On the Facebook app, tap on the Following under the Profile and Tagging section. On the Facebook website, click on Following under your Profile section. This step might differ depending on the platform you're using. So for the Facebook app, tap on the Following button next to each account you want to unfollow to stop following them. Repeat this process for each account until you've unfollowed all the accounts you want. On the Facebook website, hover your mouse over the Following button next to each account you want to unfollow and click on it to stop following them. Repeat this process for each account until you've unfollowed all the accounts you want. Depending on your device or browser settings, Facebook may prompt you to confirm your decision to unfollow each account. Once you've unfollowed all the accounts, go back to your newsfeed to verify that you're no longer following those accounts. Great work! You've successfully learned how to unfollow all your Facebook followings at once. Enjoy a more streamlined Facebook experience. Happy browsing! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.